Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a very requested video of what fits in my mini backpack. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what actually is in here. I've been using it a lot to travel, so I've been actually fitting quite a bit in there. I was actually surprised, but a lot of things actually fit in here, so let me show you guys what I fit in here. So back here I have my face mask. It is a little pocket, so I feel like since traveling you need to have your face mask. I've been just putting it here because I feel like it's easier to get the face mask out. So if you haven't seen my unboxing video, there's a little pocket in here. So this is a very thick face mask, as you can see. So I've been able to fit that. Of course, a disposable one would fit much better. And then in here, I'm gonna show you guys everything I have in my bag. So I have a little 10mm bottle of perfume. I have my hand lotion. So look, this is an ounce, okay? So how many, what I have in there. I have my mascara. I have a bottle of Lysol to go. I have gum, which is used. I have my sunglasses. They don't fit in the case, so I had to buy a little bag to carry my sunglasses. And then I have a mirror, and I have my hand sanitizer, because nowadays you have to always carry hand sanitizer. I have a lipstick in here, and my cards, which if you saw my unboxing video, I got the set just so it could match with my mini backpack. So that's my unboxing video. It was just a really quick video that I know you guys been waiting for a long time, so I thought I would do this video. So if you guys are interested in any other videos of what fits in my bag, I'll gladly make them. Sorry it took so long, but yeah, so that's what fits in my bag. So I can do other stuff right now, that's what fits. But I'm sure if I would not have the sunglasses, I could carry probably my phone in there. But usually my phone's in my hand, so that's why I don't put it in my bag. But those are all the things that fit in my bag. And I had probably a little room to add more. Till next time, guys. Bye.